Yo, what's good, what's poppin', beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back to yet another video on the channel. If you're new here, I do a bunch of Afropop, Afrobeats, Nigerian music, reactions and reviews on this channel. And on my other channel, I also have my interview series called Soaking Gary With. Go check it out. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video. We're about to get right into new MI, okay? New MI Abaga. You guys, or if you guys know me, you guys already know that Abaga is one of my favorite artists out of Nigeria. He's doing it for how many years now, and this is working towards his 11th project. And this one is with Oxlade, okay? It's called All My Life, okay, with Oxlade. And this is get towards a more commercial record. Obviously, he has a singer on the hook, so you're expecting a love-centered record. And MI, when it comes to those really love, like he has a history of really writing. Obviously, knowing from his track record, you know MI Abaga has his way with words. And when it comes to that lovey-dovey emotional side of him, he's very vulnerable, and he really cuts deep in terms of his expression. I remember growing up when I was wishing my dad a happy birthday, just as like a happy birthday text, because my dad's birthday is January 1st, and me and my siblings used to do this thing where we try to say who is the first person to text our dad. And I remember when I texted my dad, I texted my dad a line from MI where it was like, "I love you forever and a day more." And my dad was so blown away by that line. Like, look at what my son said to me, blah blah blah. And my brother was there casting me like, you stole that line from MI. But anyway, yeah, MI has a great way with words, man. I'm looking forward to this one, All My Life, featuring Oxlade. Let's get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. Oxlade killing us with those hooks, man, those vocals. Let's go. Hey. All My Life. Let's go. I need to turn this up. Okay. Look at Oxlade, man. Come on. This actress, I remember her. Alright, that was the first run at the hook. It doesn't seem that striking, doesn't seem that exciting, doesn't seem that punchy. We're getting a lot of what feels like a free-flowing Oxlade on it. A lot of ad-libs, a lot of layering, a lot of like harmony going on behind it. It's not making a distinct punch at a strong, okay, this is the hook, this is the meat of the song, this is where you're supposed to gravitate to. I'm not getting that. Like, this is off of my first listen on the hook, Sha. Maybe eventually the second run at the hook will get where the song is going. And the instrumentation too is very soft, very calm, very laid back. Very soft keys. It's kind of fitting into the lovey-dovey atmosphere that the song is actually painting for. So I rate it. Let's get into the first verse, man.
Hey, all my life I hope to somebody special that I can devote to.
Hey.
My father said, come over here, let me coach you.
Hey.
When you meet your soulmate, the sky will be so blue. So me to approach you and toast you.
Nice.
Invite you to my crib and host you. My ex-girl, they call me, I know do. I ghost her, I post her, I vote you. I pray that the
Hello, his ex is calling him. He said you ghost her. Nice. It's nice to see him, man, being faithful out here, man. I love it.
Promote you. I don't date for these streets like old shoe. Try find your number, Sudoku. To try introduce you to my whole crew. You get class, you get style, you know book.
That Sudoku line was interesting.
Don't date for these streets like old shoe. They try find your number, Sudoku. To try introduce you to my whole crew. You get class, you get style, you know book. I wash plates, you wash car, we both cook. For bedroom, we did. I
wash plates, you wash car, we both cook. That's beautiful, man. I like that when you and your partner are like set up to be partners. You know what I mean? When nobody is, there's no specific role to somebody. Okay, you can only be in the kitchen, you can only be in the this and that. You know what I mean? I love that. You know what I mean? Very progressive angle that M is coming with here. I love it. I love to see it.
Cause I was made for you. It's no fluke. It's for all my life, baby girl. And I've been wishing you could be mine.
Oxlade, let's go. Like the harmonies are there, bro. The layering is there, but I just want that hook to punch. I just want that hook to punch, you know? Okay.
Tell the truth, girl, you thought I would back down. But look at me, I did your house with 5 cow. My guy named it down. You got everything complete. You said that girls did no fit to compete. So give me wine like palm tree.
It said give me wine like palm tree, that's funny.
You on all my life.
Hey. Okay. I remember that actress. I remember her. Like growing up in Nollywood, she's a veteran in the game. I don't know her name, but I definitely recognize that face, man. It's wholesome seeing old couples, you know? It's like cheat code.
Chopsticks.
Nice, chopsticks on the beat. Very, very soft, very calm production there. Look at Oxlade, man. Shada. Fresh. All right. Okay. Sweet record, man. Sweet vibe for sure. Now, like, as I said, MI is way with words when it comes to making love-centered records. Like, MI definitely came with the one-liners. Give me wine like palm tree. Write your number like Sudoku or something. Like, yeah, like all these one-liners that he was coming with, they were definitely clever, very cheeky lines. But in going to the meat of the song, the main cocoa of a song like this, what's meant to be the driver of a song, I thought the hook was sweet. The hook was definitely like, it was soothing to listen to. But for the aim and for the purpose of a song like this, you would imagine it to be a lot more memorable, a lot more catchy, a lot more sing-alongable. Like that aspect, that element to it, I think was missing for Oxlade's verse or Oxlade's hook. And it doesn't necessarily mean to say it's a bad hook, but I'm just saying for the commercial viability of a song, it's so important because that song is not going to move. I don't think this song is going to move that much. I don't think it's going to move the needle for the excitement for an MI project. I don't think it's not a song that you're going back to because, again, the hook is the driver here. The hook is meant to be the driver here. I don't think Oxlade fulfilled that aspect of it. That's looking at it from a commercial angle, but from an artistic standpoint, the harmonies that he was layering, bro, the ad-libs, like his delivery all of that was very well done, very sweet. It's just the punchiness of the song, of the hook. Like, it just felt too free flow, too freestyle-y, too many layering, too many ad-libs. I love those aspects of it, but he ended up hurting the commercial, the things that, you need to spoon feed, like Nigerian music listeners. And with the aim of this record, I'm sure that's what MI was going for. I'm sure that's the aim of this record, is to push it into those commercial limelight, to have a song that can be played everywhere, a radio-friendly song. It is radio-friendly, but I don't think it was something that would resonate. That's just my prediction off of my first listen. I don't think it has that quality to it. But I'm still excited regardless of any MI album that's about to drop. So you have me checking for an MI record. Now, as for everyone else that is not as big of a fan as MI or in the commercial space, I don't think this song is going to fulfill that much for it. I'm hoping he has another single to kind of meet up to this, and that's the only thing I can say about this one. But I'm curious what you guys think, man. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this one. Like I said, definitely hit the like button on this, hit the subscribe button as well. Let this video do well. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.